Okay, I'm going to do a video here on how to record audio and post it or insert it into a Google Slide or Google Doc presentation for your students. This is going to be a two-part video. The first part is just going to be getting your Google Drive set up and the website that we're going to be using. So I'm going to first open a Google Slide presentation. I'm going to open a blank one here. And I'm going to paste in here the website for the voice recorder. So the one I'm going to be using is online-voice-recorder.com. So now I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to open up my Google Drive. This is an important step because you need to share your audio files so that the students can be able to listen to them on their devices. So within my Google Drive, I'm going to create a new folder, and this folder I'm just going to call it Audio Files. And I'm going to create that folder. You'll see it pop up right here. Now we're going to right click on that folder, and I want to go to the Share settings. The Share settings, we need to change the Share settings. We need to change that anyone in Donna ISD, anyone who has access to that folder, you need to make sure that it is on viewer, which it was, but we just need to double check. So we're going to say done. Now I'm going to exit out of my Google Drive and I'm going to use this link, and for me I'm just going to paste it so I don't have to type it. I'm going to paste our link so that I can record my first audio. So it brings up a pretty simple website here. The red button records, and here we go. Today's lesson will be over addition and subtraction. So you can see here the recording was made. Let me move myself. We're going to save it. It's processing. Notice that it downloads automatically, and it's downloading the title record parentheses online voice. So when we go to our folder and we look in our download folder, right here's our download folder, you will see right here the record online voice. So I'm going to close this out. I'm going to close the voice recorder, and I'm going to open again my Google Drive. Now I want to make sure that I open up the folder that I'm going to put it in, which is the audio file. I'm going to upload from the downloads that I have. I want to upload that file. You'll see that it says upload in progress. There the file appears. I would rename it so that you can keep track of the ones that you're recording. So this is, I'm just going to call addition. And notice that it's a .mp3. This is the file format that we need. I'm going to say OK. And I'm going to make sure, again, right click. I want to make sure that the share settings for this file are Donna ISD. Anyone in the group with this link can view. Make sure that it says that. I'm going to say done. And now I can go to my slides presentation. And I'm going to insert a new slide just for the sake of our presentation. So after I have inserted a new slide, I'm going to go to insert again, and I'm going to insert audio. And here you'll see the file addition. I'm going to select it. It's creating the audio. You see that it put it here down the bottom, and you see the blue dots. I can stretch this and make our little speaker as big as I want. I can drag it and place it wherever I want. So at this point, my audio is placed. Today's lesson will be over addition and subtraction. And if I want to give them instructions, click to play audio. And delete this text box because it's not in there. Now I have an audio file that will play with inside the Google Slides. Okay, the final step is you need to publish your presentation for the web. So you're going to go to File, Publish to the Web. And there's a couple things that we need to change here. We want to change the auto advance to every minute, just in case the students don't realize it. It gives them a whole minute to look at it, but they can click and move the slides to whichever one they want. And we want to put it on start the slideshow as soon as the player loads. Now we're going to publish, and we do want to say OK. It'll give us the link. We're going to copy the link, and we're going to X. And now we're going to go to Google Classroom, and we're going to go into the class that you want to post it in. For me, I'm going to post it in tutoring. I'm going to go to classwork, create assignment, and the title is going to be addition. I'm going to add a link. Here we're going to paste that link that we got from the publish section. We can give them instructions to view the slides. Now we'll click assign. Here's where you can schedule, if you want to schedule your assignment, and you can change the due date as well. But I'm just going to assign it. Now we'll take a look at the student view. Okay, from the student view, they're going to go into Google Classroom, and they're going to be in their tutoring class, and they have the new assignment, which we named Addition. They're going to click on it. They'll see that there's an attachment. It's Google Slides. They're going to choose Safari or Chrome. It doesn't make a difference. And it will open up their slideshow. So you can see here we're on slide 1. If I click it, we'll go to slide 2. I can press the speaker and the play button. Today's lesson will be over addition and subtraction. And there you have the student view where they hear the sound on their iPad. They can go back and forth to the different slides on their own. They can click down at the bottom and they can skip to a slide. And they can continue to look at the slides as long as they want.